Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 7 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 7, and then click on view all lessons. There, you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter percents, and the lessons we're going to do today are what percentage is illustrated, convert between percents, fractions, and decimals, compare percents of fractions and decimals, and estimate percents of numbers. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is what percentage is illustrated. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 7 maths. The chapter we're going to start is it percents. The lesson is what percentage is illustrated. So let's just start with the first question. What percentage of the shape is illustrated? So basically the percents mean per, cents. Cents means 100. So per mean what part of 100. Got it? So percent means part out of 100. So you have to look at this square. It has the total 100 sections. And out of the 100, how many of them are colored? A complete row represents 10 and 2 12. That means 12 out of 100 are the colored. So you can say 12% of the figure. Got it? That is 12%. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, what percentage of the shape is colored? 10, 20, and 2. 22% of the shape is purple. Got it? So the correct option is very good. That is 32. No, it is 22. Two of the rows and two column, just two blocks. It is 22%. What percent of the shape is pink? So which is the correct option? 60% or 40%? Very good, 60%. The total are 10 out of the 10, 6 of them are colored, so it would be 60%. Very good. What percentage of the shape is purple? So what percent is purple? 12%. Got it? Just a complete row and two of the blocks, so it would be 12%. Got it? What percentage of the shape is blue? Yes, just 20% of the shape is blue, so the correct option is 20%. What percent of the shape is pink? 60% or 73%? Yes, 73% of the shape is pink. So the correct option is 73. What percent of the shape is purple? Very good. 40% of the shape is purple. Okay, what percent of the shape is pink? What percent of the shape is pink? Yes, very good. 90% of the shape is pink. So it is 90%. Okay, what percentage of the shape is red? Very good. 79% of the shape is red. So the correct option is 79%. What percent of the shape is green? So which is the correct option? 20% or 27%? Very good. 27% of the shape is green. What percentage of the shape is yellow? So which is the correct option? 11%, 21%? Very good. 11%. What percentage of the shape is green? 23% or 33%? Yes, very good. 33% of the shape is green. What percent of the shape is green? 41% or 51%? Which is the correct option? So 41% of the shape is green. Got it? So the correct option is 41%. What percent of the shape is yellow? 100% of the shape is yellow. Got it? What percentage of the shape is brown? 5% of the shape is brown. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself by later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is convert between percents, fractions, and decimals. So now we're going to learn how to convert from percentages to fractions and decimals. Let's start with the first example. How do you write 22% as a decimal? So you have to write 22 as a decimal. So what you have to do, basically the 22% means that is 22 out of 100. Got it? So just divide 22 by 100. So here you have two zeros. So you have a decimal point right before the two digits, so right left of the two digits. So it would be 0.22. Got it? Whenever you have to convert from percentages to decimal, just divide the number by 100. Got it? Okay, then you have how do you write 0.68 as a percent? So whenever you have to convert a decimal to percentage, you have to multiply it to the 100. 0.68, you have to convert it to the percentage, so you have to do 0.68 times 100. It would be 68%. Mm, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how do you write 0.54 as a percentage? So you have to convert 0.54 to percent. So whenever you have to convert from decimals to percent, what you have to do, 0.52, you have to multiply it by 100. Got it? So 0.54 times 100 is not 5.4, it is 54. You have to multiply it to the 100. It would be 54. You have to move decimal point two places right, so it would be 54. Taiwo, it is 54. David, 54%, it is not 5.4. It is 54%. Got it? How do you write 1 by 2 as a percentage? We have to write 1 by 2 as a percentage. So whenever you have to convert from uh, fractions to percentages, you simply have to multiply it to the 100. Got it? It would be 100 times 1 over 1 over 100 times 1 is 100 and 2 times 1 is 2. When you divide, it makes 50%. Got it? So whenever you have to convert from fractions to percentages, just multiply the fraction by 100. That is 50%. Got it? What? How do you write 10% as a decimal? So which is the correct option? You have to divide 10 by 100. Got it? That is 0.01. 0.1, it is not 0. You have to move decimal point two places right. So when you move from here to here, it would be zero point 0.1 or either 0.10 or zero point 0.1. It is not 0.01. What happened? That is just 0.1. You have to divide it by the 100. It would be 0.1. How do you write 72% as a fraction in simplest form? It would be, you have to divide 72% in the fractional form. So you have to do 72%, it is, that means it is 72 over 100. Got it? Just divide them by the common factor and convert it in the simplest form. You can divide them by 4. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 10 and 4 times 5 is 20. It would be 13 over 25. The simplest form of 72% is 13 over 18 over 25. Wait. 4 times, yes, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. It is 18 over 25. Got it? Harmila, do you have any question? Just ask the question if you have any. Okay, how do you write 0.16 as a percentage? So, which is the correct option? It is 16%. Got it? Okay, the next one is how do you write 94% as a decimal? So, which is the correct option? 94 divided by 100 is very good. That is 0.94. Okay, how do you write 1 by 5 as a percentage? Just multiply 1 by 5 by 100. Got it? 100 times 1 is 100 and 5 times 1 is 5. It would be 5 times 2 is 20, 10 and 0. It would be 20. Yes, it is 20%. Okay, the next one is how do you write 50% as a fraction? So, which is the correct option? 1 over 2. Just divide 50 by 100. Got it? And convert into the simplest form. It would be 1 over 2. Very good. Okay, the next one is how do you write 0.4 as a percentage? So, which is the correct option? 0.4 times 100 is 40%. It is. You simply have to move decimal point 2 places, so it would be 40%. What's wrong with you guys? You know how to multiply the decimal values by 100? Go to the previous grade, grade 7, grade 6, open the percentages topics and learn from there today. That is your homework. How do you write 70% as a decimal? Yes, that would be 0.7. Got it? You have to write as a decimal, so it is 0.7. Okay, how do you write 16% as a simplest form? It is 4 over 25. 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 times 25 is 100. It would be 4 over 25. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is compare percents to fractions and decimals. Now we're going to compare percentages and decimals. So let's start with the first example, that is which sign makes the statement true. You have to compare 80% and 0. 0.8. When comparing two things, they must be in the same 80% and 0 point in the same units. So either you have to convert both of them to decimal or both of them to percent. Got it? You can convert 0.8 to percentages by easily multiplying 100. So 0.8 times 100 is 0.8 times 100 is 80. So here you have 80% and 80%. So basically they both are equal. Got it? So the correct option is equal. Let's start with the test questions. Okay. Which sign makes the statement true? 98%, 95%. So 98% is greater than 95 or less than 95? 98% is greater than, they both are in the percentages. You can compare them. Got it? 95, 8% is greater than 95%. Okay, the next one is the amount of zeros is how many times you move that. Like if you are dividing by 100, like this one. Let me explain. 73 by 100 and 73%. Yes, they are equal, but let me explain. 73 over 100, you are dividing it by the 100. 100 has two zeros, got it? That means you have to move decimal point from here to left two places, it would be 0.73. But when you are multiplying, let's suppose you are multiplying 0.73 times 100, you have to move decimal point two places, right? It would be then 73. Got it? Yes, they are equal. Okay. Which sign makes the statement true? 79% and 0.3. So which is the correct option? Convert 0.3 to percentage also. Got it? 79% and 0.3. Convert this decimal to percentage also. Just multiply it to the 100. Got it? It would be 30. It would be 30. Got it? So 79% is greater than 30%. Got it? It is greater. Okay, the next one is 88% and 0.88. So which is the correct option? They are exactly equal. Got it? 80%. And when you multiply 0.88 by 100, it makes 80% also. They are equal. Got it? Okay, 87% and 99%. Which is the correct option? They are 87% is less than 99%, 22% and 27%. So 22% is again less than 27%. Got it? Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 80% or zero point 0.8, which is the correct option? They both are exactly equal. Got it? When you convert 0.8 to percentage, it would be again 80%. Got it? Okay, 19% and zero point 0.5. So which is the correct option? 19% is less than zero point 0.5. When you convert zero point 0.5 to percentage, it would be 50. Got it? 42% and zero point 0.1. So which is the correct option? 42% is 42% is greater than zero point 0.1. Got it? Okay, 13% and 13%. So they both are equal. Got it? Yes, zero point 0.5 and 0.050 are exactly equal. It doesn't matter how many zeros you are adding, they are equal. Okay, 35% is 35% is greater than 34%. Okay, 86% is 86% is greater than 79%. Got it? 100% is equal to 100%. Okay, you can complete the test for yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is estimate percents of a number. So let's just do estimation with the percentages. Got it? Okay, what is the accurate way to estimate 75% of 83? 75% of 83 is, you have to do, basically you have to estimate. So the 75% of 83 means 75% of 83. So basically 75% of anything means 3/4 of a portion. Got it? 2/4 is half, 1/4 is 25%, this is 55%, and this is 75%. So just calculate 3/4 of 83. Got it? It would be 83 times 83 and 1 over 1. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 8 is job 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Just divide and see what is the answer. For 249 divided by 4 is 62.25. Got it? That means 3/4 of a, okay, you have to round off 83. Got it? Because you cannot divide 83 by 4, so you can round off. So it would be now divided. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 1, so 21 times 3 is 63. So the estimated answer is 63. That is the exact answer, and that is the estimated answer. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. I will explain again. Okay, what is the most accurate way to estimate 35% of 62? So you have to calculate 35%. Got it? 35% of 62. Got it? So the options you are given is 2 over 3, 1 over 3. Okay, so to calculate the estimated answer of 35% of 62 is, you can calculate 1/3 of 63, because 62 can be rounded off to 63, and 35% of 100. Let me just explain how. 35%, 35 over 100 means 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 20 is 100. Wait, 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 100 is, so 7 over 20 is, basically it is 1/3 of 62, because 35% is 1/3 of the 100. Got it? So it would be 1/3 times 62 is rounded off to 63, so it would be 1/3 of 63. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the accurate way to estimate 1/3 of 20? So again, here you have 32. 32 means 1/3 of the 100. It would be 1/3 of, and 21. You cannot divide 21 by 3, so you can round estimate 20 to 21. So it would be 1/3 of 21. Got it? Okay, 73% of 77. So 73% is almost near to 75, and we can write 75 as 3 over 4th. Got it? Also, you cannot divide 77 by 4, so it would be rounded off to 78. So that is 3/4 of 78. Got it? The correct option is 3/4 of 78. Yes, 3/4 of 76. You cannot divide 78 by 4. 76 can be divided by 4. So it is 3/4 of 76. Got it? Okay, the next one is 25% of 59. So 25% is 1/4 of 100. So it would be 1/4 of 60. 59, it is rounded off to 60. Basically, you have to understand these percentages. 25% means 1/4. So it would be 1/4 of 59 is rounded off to 60, because 60 is divided by 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is 24% of 81. 24 is near to 25%, and 25% is one fourth. Also, 80 is divided by 4, not 81, so it would be one fourth of 80. 80. Got it? So it is 1 by 4 of 80%. Okay, the next one is what is the more accurate way to calculate 75% of 71? So 75% is 3 fourth of 100. It would be 3 fourth of 72. 49% of 25, 49 is almost 50. 50 means 1 over 2. Got it? And you cannot divide 2 by 25, so it would be estimated to 24. So it would be one half of 24%. One to half of 24. Got it? Which is the most accurate way to estimate 67% of 83? 67% of 83. So 67% is two-third of the two-third it is. You can calculate two-third of 84, not three-fourth. Three-fourth is 75%. Two-third is 67%. It would be two-third of 84. What is the most accurate way of to calculate 66% of 17? So again, 66% is it is near to 67. So 67 is 23, 2 by 3. Got it? So it would be 2 by 3 of 18. Got it? Okay, 32% of 13. So 32% is one third, and it would be one third of 12. Got it? Okay, what is the most accurate way to estimate 67% of 91? So 67 is two-third, and it would be two-third of 90. Got it? You just have to look at this one. 33% means 1 by 3, 67% is 2 by 3, 25% is 1 fourth, 50% is half, 75% is 3 fourth. So 67 is 2 over 3, it would be 2 by 3 times 90. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 7 maths. The chapter we were working on is grade 7 maths. We're working on the chapter percents, and the lessons we have covered today are what percentage is illustrated, convert between percents, fractions, and decimals, compare percents to fractions and decimals, and estimate percents of numbers. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.